Dr. Frank Murray. Produttore Victoria Hill. Ethan Hawke.
Before I was a screenwriter, I was a film critic. And at that time, I wrote a book about spirituality in film because I had a religious background and a religious education. But then I got involved in film, and I never really thought that I would make a film of that nature. I was just too excited by the action, the empathy, the violence, the sexuality of cinema to work with that austere toolkit. But I always respected those films, and I kept going back to them. And then about 2 years ago, I was having dinner with Pavel Pavlovsky, who had just done Ida. And he was talking about Ida, and I left that dinner and I said, you know, it's time. It's time for you to write one of these movies. And so that's how it all came around. And in many ways, it is the culmination of something that started, in the early 70s.
Yes, to answer the second question. It was clear reading the script, the influence of Bergman's Winterlight or Diary of a Country Priest. And there's a couple other films that I think probably had an impact on Paul that you could speak of. But for me, when I was born, my great-grandmother had a clear sense that I was going to be a priest and told everyone that I should be paying attention to the calling if it ever came. And so I used to pray that the calling wouldn't come. And thank God it did. And I went into the arts. But this is the first time I've ever been asked to play a priest. And I've been surrounded by religion my whole life. And it's a very important dialogue in my head anyway. So I was really grateful for the opportunity to play this character.
Spiritual guide. I've been looking for a spiritual guide for most of my life. I think, without knowing, the closest thing that I had before I had my daughter was the relationship I had with my dog. It sounds really silly, but it's thanks. Me too. But it's true. Like, there's something so pure about it. They're animals. They don't have voices. That whole connection is so beautiful, and it opens you up to all this compassion. And that kind of, helped guide me through my life. But I guess I don't really, love really is like my spiritual guide. That's what I look to when times are tough, because times are tough.